in a small cafe. There's hearts everywhere cause it's Valentine's Day. We order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window and start to debate. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright, cause I've been dating me my whole life. Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak in the knees. There's nobody.
That body grooving like she the one that's moving on. She said I love you, and I just think I'm too far gone. It's like I know you, and I've been in this room too long. And I'ma show you, like I've been waiting all along, yeah. So what they gon' say? Caught up walking over your place. On the move, let's go. Waist on the high hips and the heads turn slow, yeah. So why you trippin'? Like what you sippin'? And where your home is? Sun's down in a minute, I know. That body grooving like she the one that's moving on. She said I love you, and I just think I'm too far gone. It's like I know you, and I've been in this room too long.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like, haven't been so happy ever. Watching you sit there with our best friends at the wedding. Hello. in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present.